Hello everyone, this is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Custom Mylar bag with powder-proof zipper ensures an excellent seal while preventing any powder particles from getting stuck in the tracks, ensuring smooth operation every time. Ideal for protein powders, spices, matcha, collagen, or any fine grain product. Choose any size, any shape, stand up or flat, full digital or flexographic print, matte or gloss finish. With resealable powder-proof zipper, easy to open, easy to close, easy to store without compromising on powder retention or shelf appeal. Custom Mylar bag with powder-proof zipper, sealed tight, inside and out. For more questions, please feel free to contact me. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.